shit is so tight.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be doing a wash and go today, y'all. My nail's still broken. I have not gotten it fixed, but I'm so happy to be doing a wash and go, y'all. I haven't done one in a minute. I already have my leave-in in and everything, but by the title, you already know what's pop-a-locking in the video. I am going to be adding Vaseline to my hair. Okay, I know I said I would never do this shit, but I was kind of dared, low-key, high key, low-key, whatever. We're just gonna test it out because I feel like it. So let's go. Hair clean, and I have the Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk is what it is. I have that in my hair already while in the shower, you guys know, and all I did was put it in 2 sections, and here we go. So this is what my hair is looking like. My hair is still soaking wet, but it does have the Curl Love Moisture Milk in it. So it definitely moisturized. So what we're going to do, I'm going to go in with the As I Am Classic Curling Cream along with my style, y'all know, my Style Factor Edge Booster. I decided since we're going on top with a sealant, might as well use a gel that's like, you know? So that's what we finna do. Let me go ahead and section off my hair. So I got my towel on too because you all know it gets a little messy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and add the As I Am Curling Cream. This is what it look like. It's white. Y'all see that? This is what the curling cream looks like. As you guys can see, I've used quite a bit of this bad boy, but I'm just going to grab a little bit out of here. Actually, it's quite a bit. It's like a quarter size amount. This is going to be enough for this back section. So I'm just going to rub that in and apply the curling cream to my hair. And you just want to rake that through. Rake it through with your fingers, girl. Now, I haven't put any combs or brushes to my hair. You guys know, every time I do a wash and go, I try to make sure I'm finger detangling and whatnot. So I'm just going to rake that product in. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this product on in sections. And then I'm going to come back and put the gel. I've been liking doing that, just letting my creams and stuff just like marinate in my hair, especially in the wintertime. That's what you want to do because, child, hunty, if not, that thing going to be dry. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply it. Dang, what's on him? Who shitted on my... I just landed makeup. But still, though. Let me go ahead and put that on. Alright, so the curling cream is added. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and twist this up. Move on to my next section. As you guys can see, I went ahead and twisted that up. And now I'm just going to go to the next section. Add another dollop. Dollop of Daisy. I'm just going to add another dollop of that. Okay, and then we're just going to apply that all to the hair. And just make sure you're just working that in and making sure you're putting that moisture in there and pressing it in with that leave-in and merging it, making sure that it is getting into the hair strands, creating some friction. Okay, yeah, guys, create some friction. As you can see, I'm like making sure I smush. Look at that. You'll see that? I'm making sure I really work this product. Don't be worried about your curls right now. They might be smushed. They might be crinkled. It don't matter. Stop trying to see your curls, okay? This is the part you're just moisturizing. It don't need to be cute right now. Moisturize your hair, friend. Moisturize it. So that's what we're doing. And after you've done that, just go ahead and wrap that up. And then put it away. Hey. And move on. Alright, so now that I have all of the curling cream added to my hair, we're going to go in with the gel. We're going to go in with the gel. And you know what? We're going to do petroleum jelly all at the same time because I don't have to apply the gel to all of my hair, then go and apply this. The only time you do that, I feel like you do that, is in the wintertime, first of all. And second of all, is when you are adding your moisture. Whatever type of moisture, you kind of do want that to sit a little bit. Because if not, you want your leave-in to sit in there and marinate, and then you want your creams to sit in there and marinate, and then you want to go in with that. Like, you really kind of, like, not like marinate like dry, but like let that moisture get into your hair strand so that you can move on and make sure that you're not having a lot of flaking. Okay, girl, let's go. Let's move on. All right, so section, check. Let's start from the bottom. You guys know I start from the bottom. I love starting back here and working my way up because once you get up here, you're done, buddy. So this is my hair look like with the curling cream added. I'm going to go ahead and take my Tangle Teaser and I'm just going to go ahead and brush through my hair. Get it as smooth as you can. Go ahead and make sure you combing and brushing out them roots. If you're gonna brush, you might as well brush it out, so don't miss it. Now I'm gonna go in with my Style Factor gel. I'm gonna go ahead and just put this in my hand, honestly, and then just apply. Alright, I never use this much gel now. This is just fluffy. What's going on? Oh, this combo might not be good, y'all. Might gotta go ahead and put me another custard on. I actually used this in another video. The Weedad, it's their high definition custard. I'm gonna use this because I did like it. This is what it looks like, y'all. So I do like this custard, so I think I'm gonna use this custard. Okay. I don't know about this, y'all. I mean, my curls look kind of, they look defined. They look okay. All right, so I guess let's just add. My curls are not acting right now, and honestly, I ain't got no words, girl. I don't know why. So let me see. Also, we're going in with the Vaseline because that's what she said to do, and I'm just gonna take a dollop of Vaseline, I guess. This is gonna be too much moisture on this little section. It's about done. It's like I'm tapped out. You done too much. Oh my god, I'm putting petroleum jelly on my hair. What is happening right now? Since this one was kind of messed up, we're gonna say this one kind of messed up. We're gonna go ahead and leave this out. We're gonna go ahead and act like this one done. So we're gonna be like, all right, done. Ooh, bless my soul, y'all. That looked too poofy for me. But let's just keep going. I'm gonna go ahead and let me part this off. Add my custard. Then I'm gonna go ahead and brush through it. Okay, so that's with the gel added. God dang, this is like a puff ball already. Look at that, y'all. Don't do that. Girl, the combo ain't working, is it? I feel like it's breaking up my gel. What is going on? Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna just continue putting all three products on my hair, the custard, the gel, and the Vaseline, and see what we end up with, because I don't know. Or maybe I think I'm going to skip the custard, and I'm going to just put the gel and the Vaseline. Maybe we got too many products, so I'm just going to put the gel and the Vaseline, and I'm going to come back and tell you guys how I feel about this shit. Okay, you guys, this is what we're looking like. As you can see, the petroleum jelly seems to be sitting on top of my hair because I have low porosity hair. That's funny. And it's very frizzy. Even if I was to try to like define this side a little bit more, it's honestly, I tried and it got more and more frizzy. Clearly, you guys know that I'm not gonna do this again. But for the sake of the video, I'm very angry that I have to go and let this dry for you guys, knowing that it's gonna look like complete trash. That makes me angry. But I'm gonna try. I'm gonna do what I can. I'm gonna try. Let me see if I can fix this, y'all. Like at least this piece. Okay, maybe some more gel. Maybe some more gel. I already put everything on it though, but maybe some more gel on top of the Vaseline. Cause that Vaseline, me putting that on top, like I really feel like it like broke up the smoothness of the gel application. You know, like I don't know. I'm mad, y'all, cause I wanted my hair to be cute. I'm gonna go dry and come back and show you guys how it looked like. The video ain't paused. No, you will see what my hair is. It's a no for me, dog. Okay, so let me tell you what happened. First of all, this is 2 days after I filmed the video for you guys. And honestly, after I got done filming that video, I just put shit up in the bun. Because I thought I was trying to dry it, y'all. And once I was drying it, it started flaking. It had these white beads. And I just put it up. It was honestly, y'all, it was still damp. It's probably still damp. I think it is. It feels a little wet. And this is the first time I'm taking it down. But let me tell you something. This ain't it. I don't know if it's the product combo or what. But I don't like how the product kind of like separated. I don't know, y'all. It's just, it ain't it, basically. It ain't it. I'm sorry. I'm not a big fan of Vaseline. Now there's like a little bit of a film on top also. It's not bad though. Honestly, I would try petroleum jelly again if it comes out pretty well on my hair, because I need this to come out, okay? I don't like this one. Right now, I'm just angry about it. I'm just like, dang. I just really put work into my hair, and it was really, honestly, the products were not like doing well together, so it was a lot harder to do the wash and go to, y'all. I mean, the curls are doing some stuff, they popping, they there or whatever, but that ain't what it's all about. The curls can be popping and it's still ugly, and it is. So there's that. So when I get it down, I'll let y'all know. But petroleum jelly may be the way to go. Boys! Thank you guys so much for like supporting my channel, and I love y'all so much, and I hope to see y'all in my next video. But we're gonna try this again, but I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.